At around 12:50 p.m. on March 28, 2025, a powerful 7.7 magnitude earthquake struck central Myanmar, with the epicenter located near the city of Sagaing, at a depth of 10 kilometers. The earthquake caused severe damage in many areas, especially in Mandalay and Bagan, where numerous important historical structures are located. In Mandalay, many buildings collapsed, including the Masoyan Monastery and parts of the Mandalay Palace. The famous Ava Bridge near Sagaing was also completely destroyed. In the capital city Naypyidaw, the airport's air traffic control tower collapsed, and the city's largest hospital is overwhelmed with hundreds of injured people. The earthquake also affected neighboring countries. In Bangkok, Thailand, a 30-story building under construction collapsed, killing at least 3 people and trapping many others. Tremors were also felt in Yunnan Province, China, and several areas in Vietnam. The Myanmar government has declared a state of emergency in the severely affected regions and has called for international aid. Rescue operations are facing major difficulties due to damaged infrastructure and ongoing civil unrest in the country. Powerful 7.7 magnitude earthquake devastates Myanmar and surrounding regions.